Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. So in the last session we have seen how to work with the Git pull. Today we're going to look into the few more concepts like how to edit a commit message, how to undo a commit and how to revert a commit, right? So let's go to the IntelliJ and start. So in the last session we have did some commit git pull examples we have seen, and we have committed them to the remote repository as well, right? If you see here, right, so git origin master, okay, so this is okay, origin master, and it will be origin slash master, right? So we can go to the IntelliJ and we can see if this commit is there or not. Okay, so let's see. Git pull example 2 in remote master. Okay, let's go and see. Git pull example 2 in remote master, right? This is the latest commit that we have. That means whatever the commit we had in the local, we push that into the remote. So everything, so now our local is in sync with the remote master branch. Okay, our local master branch is in sync with the remote master branch. If you how to verify that one, if you go and you can say there are no incoming changes, right? There are no incoming changes. That is good. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to teach you like now if you right click on this git, if you go to the git log and you are in the local master branch and you select a particular commit and right click on it, you see there are few options, those are disabled, right? Undo commit, edit commit message, revert commit, reset current branch to here. These two are enabled, right? And these two are disabled. So let's first understand these two. What are these two and how these two we can work with them? Okay. So let's first see edit commit message. So what exactly is the edit commit message? As the name says, we can edit a commit message. Suppose you have already developed a code, some code you have developed and you have committed it, but while committing the commit message whatever you have provided, that is not accurate, right? And you have not yet pushed those changes to the remote, it is still in your local. Okay, you have committed but it's still in your local. Now you have an option to change whatever the commit message you have given. Okay, so let's put a line. So I'm saying I have added a line called edit a commit message, and now I'll go and commit it. Commit. I'm saying adding a new commit. Okay, so now I'm going to commit. So now a new commit has added, and this is in the master branch. So master and remote both got updated here. If you see, right, head and master both are pointing to the current commit, the recent or latest commit what we did now. Let's go there and see here. Okay, here you can see the commit message adding a new commit. Okay, but if you see, we just wanted to we have added the code to see editing a commit message, right? So maybe the whatever I add the description, it is a very generic description, right? It doesn't exactly specify what are my intent with this new change or new code base. So in that case, and if it is in my local, see origin master is pointing to the previous, because here this commit is there in the remote, right? So now I can come here, I can right click on it and say edit commit message. Okay, so a dialog comes up and it shows the original commit message. So here instead of that commit message we can rewrite, okay, whatever is our new commit message. So I can say example showing editing commit message. Okay, so this is more meaningful. Now I'll say okay. Okay, so commit message changed. If you don't want to change, there is undo option you can do. But if you see now, right, so if you see now, okay, so the commit message is now changed. Example showing editing commit message, this is the latest commit, right? There are no other commit on the same commit, only the message whatever commit message was there that got changed, right? I hope everyone is clear on this one, right? So this is how you will edit a commit message. Okay. And similarly, there is one more option. We can undo also. So we can undo the last commit. So let's say this is my last commit, right? So now I can click on it. I can say undo commit. Okay. Just click on it. Name comment. So we'll say yeah, we can say changes only, right? Comment, if you want you can give anything, or it is optional. So let's say okay. So now you can see here undo commit successful. That means the latest commit whatever was here, right, that is gone now. Can we see that commit? We cannot see that commit. And all the branches, all the head pointer, right, now if you see the head pointer and master and origin master are all pointing to the previous commit, right? The latest commit what we had, we undo it. But in undo you can observe one thing. If you go to the code base, the code base didn't change, right? Only the commit got on, we undo the commit, only commit got deleted, but not the code. The actual code is still there, it is still intact, right? This is the undo last commit. And this option is only visible to the top or latest commit which is not pushed to remote. Okay, so let's verify that one also. Edit a commit message -1, and let's do a commit over here. Editing commit message -1, commit it. Then let's do the second commit, add one more and then do a second commit over here. So this is commit 2. Okay, so now let's go do a git commit. So this is 2. Okay, so let's commit. So now if you see there are two commits, one is the commit message 1 and another one is the commit message 2. Let's see here, can we undo? See, if you see the undo commit is not available here because this is not the latest commit here, right? So if you see the latest commit is the top commit, that is the commit message 2, and if you see here you will see that undo commit message, right? So the undo commit is only available to the top commit. Okay, top or the latest commit which is not pushed to the remote. And this, see, since both of them are not pushed to the remote, but this is not the top commit now. Is it the top commit? No, it is not the top commit because on top of it another commit is there, right? Where is the head pointer now? See, head is pointing to this commit, right? So that means it is the top commit now. So on that top commit you can do the undo. Okay, hope you guys are clear, right? So that is into the undo commit, right? And after you are done with the undo commit, we can see one more concept we can see. So that is revert the commit. Okay, so what exactly is this revert the commit? So if you see okay, so there are two more commits here. Okay, so let's do a revert commit on this top one, right? This is the commit message 2, and for that we had this code change, right? So we can do a revert commit over here. Right click and say revert commit. I click on revert commit. So what happened here? So if you see the commit, okay, the commit is gone here. Okay, if you see revert example showing commit message 2, the code is also gone from here. So here we have a if you go to the previous commit here, you can see this is the commit message 1, this is the commit message 2, and we have reverted the commit message 2. That code is gone from here. Okay, suppose if I want to revert again commit message 1, okay, I can right click and say revert commit. So if you see that code is also gone from here, right? Revert successful. So yeah, that's what leads into the reverting and then undo and edit the commit message. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow again with the next session. Thank you.